Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. This is a detailed announcement regarding CMA final regular batch for the December 2026. Again, I am repeating, detailed announcement regarding CMA final regular batch for December 2026. But in this, you mentioned about June 26 also, sir. Yes. If any students wants to write only group 3 in June 26 attempt, yes, you can attend for this batch. For which group? Group 3. If you want to write only group 3 in June, yes, you can join in this batch also. Batch will start from February 16th, that is on next Monday. Full-fledged classes we are going to start from the 16th onwards. Yes, if you want to join in this batch, as face-to-face mode is available, we are expecting nearly 120 students for this batch, face-to-face only. Apart from online and recorded, we are expecting 120 strength for this batch. Mode of classes, online also available, and if you want to purchase recorded classes also available. Remember, we are going to start full-fledged classes from 16th February onwards. The reason students wants to write group 3 in June attempt. That's why we want to complete the syllabus in early manner. So that's why we are going to start full-fledged classes from the February 16th. Yes, I will give you further details also regarding this batch. Batch will start from February 16th. That means February month, March, April till May 15. We are going to teach group 3 subjects, that is law, SFM, DT, SCMDM. Next, after June examination, June 20th onwards, June, July, August, we are going to teach group 4 subject, that is CMAD, CFR, IDD, 20A, SPMBV. So what are the features in this batch, sir? Every Sunday we are going to conduct the weekend exam. Class timings will be 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. After completion of class, yes, everyday study hours will be there within our classroom itself, 6:30 to 9. Next, after completion of syllabus, these 3 months, yes, September, October, November, these 3 months complete revision as well as exams, study hours also within our campus itself. Next, what is a speciality in our Shikhara? So faculty will give exclusive CMA final materials, that is simplified and exclusive materials for CMA. And all our faculties are well experienced in the industry. So definitely they have a rich experience in teaching, as well as they can simplify everything into simple manner. Next, sir, what are the modes? Yes, 3 types of modes are available. The first, you can attend for face-to-face if you want. The face-to-face classes will be conducted at SR Nagar, Hyderabad. And if you want to take the live, yes, you can take the live streaming batches also. Next, if you take a live streaming, automatically you will get recorded classes backup. Unfortunately, if you missed any classes also, you can watch this as an recorded mode again. That means totally you will get a 2.5 views. One live view you will get, and recorded 1.5 views you will get. No sir, I want to go with only recorded. Yes, you can purchase. 1.5 views you will get. So again, many students will ask this question, sir, this batch will be conducted in Shikhara tutorials. All classes will be in 100% English language only. This batch also will be in 100% English. Next, coming to the faculty details. Yes, coming to the faculty details. Paper number 13, Law, CA, CMA, CS, Rohit Grover sir. So, already sir will take the paper number 17, CMAD. So, he is an expert faculty in CA final law and audit. So, now he is going to take the law for this batch. Next, paper number 14, already CA E. Srinivas sir will take the paper number 14. Both faculties having the 15 plus years of experience. Next, paper number 15, direct taxation. I will take that subject. I have an experience of 8 plus years. Next, paper number 16, SCMDM. CA Ronak Agarwal sir will take this class. He have an experience of 15 plus years. And remember, I want to tell you something about the Ronak Agarwal sir. So, he is a faculty For me, in CA final level, I took AMA, Advanced Management Accounting. Simply, it is a costing subject from him only. So, he is a well-known faculty for direct taxation as well as the costing subjects at various levels. Now, he is joined with us for this subject. Yes, thank you, sir, for taking this subject. Now, paper number 17, you know already, Rohit Rohar sir will take the subject CMAD. Paper number 18, CA E Srinivas sir will take the subject. And paper number 19, our Sivateja sir will take the subject. And paper number 20A, Naveen sir. 20A only we are going to teach, not 20B, 20C, 20A only optional paper we are going to teach in this batch. Yes, here faculty will be our Naveen sir, having experience of 6+ years. So these are the faculty details, and you can check the demo videos of the particular faculties also, yes, in our YouTube channel. And next, fee details. This is a very important thing you want to know. The fees for both groups, 80,000. So this 80,000 including books, the revision exams and study hours facility. That means whatever the revision exam study hours at the end of the batch you are going to write, it including that. Next, sir, I want to take only single group, sir, that is group 3 or group 4. Yes, you have to pay 45,000 including books and revision exams. No, sir, I want to attend for particular subject. Yes, you can welcome, but here there is no revision exams and study hours facility. Only we can provide class as well as books for you. Because if you are taking the single subject, we are unable to provide the revision exams for the group wise. So that's why here, if any person taken the single subject, only coaching along with the books only we are going to provide. Sir, early bird discount will be there. Yes, early bird discount will be there. On or before February 16th, if you take an admission, both groups fees will be 70,000 and single group fees will be 40,000. And one more thing, there is no early bird discount for the subject wise. Next, sir, again I am repeating this point. The full-fledged classes, that means the morning 7 to and the evening 6 p.m. These classes will be going to commence. Full-fledged timetable will commence from February 16th onward itself. That means if you want to attend for this batch, please take the admissions on or before February 16th itself. You can't miss any classes. For taking admission, yes, for taking any admission, that is group wise, subject wise, both groups, whatever it may be, you can contact with this number 630-990-1213. And you can visit our website also for downloading materials content as well as for purchasing online classes. You can visit our website www.shikharatutorials.in. And one more thing. So already I think 15 to 20 admissions are already done. Definitely for this batch we are expecting, definitely we can get 100+, that to 120+ admissions for this batch. And if you want to be part of our regular batch December 2026, contact with this number immediately. Now in our present batch we have nearly 75+ face-to-face students for June 26. So in the same way we are getting the enquiries also for this batch. And if you want to take admission, contact with this number. Thank you. Have a nice day.